The latest news, updates, and more from the world of health and medicine. This is Medical Minutes, brought to you by Community Health Network.
Heart disease claims a life in the United States about every 37 seconds. The research from the American Heart Association has found that nearly half of all adults in the United States have some form of cardiovascular disease. There are several unexpected risk factors that can have a big impact on your heart health. News 8's Brittany Noble has details on those risk factors in today's Health Spotlight.
I'm going up the stairs and I'm pulling myself up the stairs.
Vicky was having a heart attack. It happens to more than 800,000 people each year, but 1 in 5 heart attacks is silent, and the person isn't aware of the damage that's being done.
I had a patient who had a toothache that turned out to be her symptom for having a heart attack.
That's not the only thing you need to know. Where you live plays a crucial role. The American Heart Association found southern states have the highest rate of death by heart disease. They believe it's because more people live in poverty, with less access to fresh fruit, safe places to walk, or access to health care. The quality of your tap water also has an impact. Researchers at Columbia found people exposed to high levels of arsenic in the drinking water were 42% more likely to develop heart disease. But don't replace water with diet soda. Women over 50 who drink 2 or more diet sodas or any kind of artificially sweetened drinks a day face an increased risk of stroke and heart attack. Even what happens during pregnancy impacts a woman's heart health. Complications like gestational hypertension, preeclampsia, preterm birth, and gestational diabetes significantly increase the risk of developing cardiovascular disease later in life. And if a woman hits menopause before they turn 42, new research shows the odds of having a heart attack or stroke may be twice as high than if you go through it later.
You thought?
Meanwhile, having constant low-level stress can cause you to be 40% more likely to have a heart attack. The doc's best advice, surround yourself with good people and be good to yourself. I'm Brittany Noble for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for updates.
A lot of information there. Here's some more. If you think that heart disease begins in your 50s, you might want to think again. A study published in JAMA found heart health begins to decline around the age of 10. If children have unhealthy lifestyles. That does include poor diet, lack of exercise, and smoking perhaps. Those early habits significantly increase their risk of heart attacks and strokes later in life.
This is Medical Minutes, brought to you by Community Health Network.
Learn more and get more with Wish TV.
Online at wishtv.com, and when you follow Wish TV on Facebook, be sure to check out more great podcasts from the All Indiana Podcast Network now.
Now at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.